Today we're gonna be fishing in the same. We're gonna be going to fish for the minnows. In the last video, we saw the minnows, and now I got this piece of bread, and we're gonna go catch the minnows. And then we're gonna use them as live bait someday. Maybe someday. I don't know. Hopefully we get to go tomorrow. We get to go fishing. Today we're also using this fishing pole. It's literally just a stick with line and a hook on it. And I'm here with that guy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back to that spot that we saw the minnows, and we have this bread, and we're gonna see if we can catch them. We made it like a little bit of the way. We're almost halfway. Just like a little bit more to go, and then we'll be there. Right now we're about more than halfway there. It's just up ahead. Is that poop or is that mud? I think that might be. Is that a rock? That's a rock. Yeah. Alright, we're almost there. It's really light up ahead. I can like. It's just up there. It's just up ahead. So right now, we're almost at the spot. Yo, this guy just ate it, bro. I'm over here trying to explain. We're almost there to that three-way spot. Look, and then bro just falls. All right. So, just right up ahead, right here. Or so you can either go that way, which that way we've been down that way. It's weird. There's like no rocks, and this is the way we go to get the minnows. So we're about to go this way. We've made it to the spot. Now we're gonna fish. We've got the bread on. Now he's about to drop it in the bread. The bread. Well, the fish was just too scared to bite our bait. So now we're just gonna head back that way. And see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.